Thank you for joining me again. And if you're new on this channel, if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Today we are going to be talking about how you can make $50 per hour all over the world and any part of the world you are. So online money making sites being shared lately seems not to be working in some countries. So we took our time to find the one that works worldwide. Before we start talking about these sites, I want to encourage you all to like and subscribe to our channel. Go through our previous videos and also like and comment on them, and you can also share them with your friends. Most importantly, click on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video like this, YouTube is going to notify you that we've dropped another video. Now let's go into the business of the day. The name of this website is called rentafriend.com. I will drop the link in the description below. What is rentafriend.com? Rentafriend.com is a website that allows you to rent local friends from all over the world or to be rented either ways. Rentafriend.com is extremely easy to use no matter where you live. All you have to do is to set up an account, make your profile as detailed as possible in order to help you get clients on this site. Include the skills you have and also your location. Some can hire you to teach them the skills you have, or better still, give you a job to do. There are numerous activities on this platform that you can do. Let's go on to this site and create an account. Now this is rentafriend.com. If you want to create an account, you click on join now. Then what you'll be clicking here is sign up as friend by email. You click sign up as friend. You allow it to load. You see get paid to be a friend. Earn up to $50 per hour plus free meal, free concert, free sporting events and more. You see this? So you scroll down. How to get started? First, you need to fill out our application. Once you are approved, usually within an hour of signing up, your profile is made live on rentafriend.com. People can search their zip code or city, state or country for friends in their area. If they are interested in your profile, they will contact you directly. You then negotiate your time, price and activity with the member. You then can meet your new friend, have a great time and get paid. You see what I'm telling you? You meet a new friend, have a great time and get paid. Let's check out the benefits of becoming a friend on rentafriend.com. 1. Only paid members of rentafriend.com can contact you directly. So if someone contacts you and says they saw your profile on rentafriend.com, you know they are serious about meeting a new friend. Paid members of Rent-A-Friend can call, text or message you through the website. You can write in your description how you would like to be contacted by the members. 2. It's 100% free to have your profile on rentafriend.com. There is never any cost to you. Plus, you get to keep 100% of the money you make from meeting new friends. You see this number 2 is very interesting. So number 3, they say there are no obligation to be friends with anyone. You decide who you want to be friends with, how much you charge, and what time you want to work. You make all the rules. You are your own boss. You see this number 3? You can decide on what to do. You can set the price, any price level you choose. You are the one to set the price. What you're going to do is just to negotiate with the person. If the persons agree, then you can continue with the work. Then how much money can I make? It's up to you. We have some friends on rentafriend.com making over $2,000 a week full time. Wow. Then we have some people who just do it on the weeks and make $300 to $500. It all depends on how much time you decide to work. Okay, let's move down. Let's go and create an account. You scroll down, you see this point here. It said click here to add your email address and we will notify you by email once the application form is open. You click on the link, you allow it to load. Okay, you will input, say add your email address below and we will notify you once we reopen our friend application form. So you put in your email here, you type in your email. Okay, then you hit subscribe. Confirm you are a real person. Before we subscribe you, we need you to confirm you are a human. Click on I am not a robot. Okay, that's tick. Then you click on subscribe. Your email address has been confirmed. Thank you. We will notify you once we reopen our friend application form. In the meantime, feel free to make some extra money taking online surveys or continue to our website. Now they have accepted our email. They will be sending us a mail. We'll wait for them to send us a mail that they have reopened their application form. And if you don't want to wait, you can still click on this. You say, in the meantime, feel free to make some money, extra money taking online surveys. You can take a survey here. That's an extra bonus too. You can take a survey and get paid as well, but that's not what we're here for. But if you want to do that, it depends on how you work on this website. That's how you get paid. Some people make $3,000 on a weekly basis, some $500, some $300. So it depends on you. So let's just continue to the website. What you're going to be doing now is to wait for them. Once they send us the mail, they will come back and complete our registration.